Hi everyone, welcome to a short overview of PSI Online Proctoring Exam for international students. Let's jump over to the slide so that I can explain you in a brief. If you have any questions regarding the topic, you can comment below. Okay, the slide is just an overview. To know more details, you can visit testtakers.psigov.us/irs. You will get this page where you can see that here is a link candidate information bulletin. By clicking on it, you will get detailed information. As of today, July 26th, the international candidates exams are not yet started. It will be begin from September 1st, 26. So although you know that there are three parts of enrolled agent exam. The part one is individual taxation, and part two is business taxation, and part three is presentation practices and procedures. So there are some points that I want to share with you. As you all of you know it, I know, but I think I need to go through it. And the first one is PTIN. You must have a renewed PTIN by December 31st for the following year. You can schedule the appointment through online, or for international candidates, you can call this number in the specified time. And the examination is 3.5 hours, and currently the test window is July 1st 26 to February 28 27, and the testing is not available in the month of March and April each year while the examination is updated. Okay, then identification required. You must present a valid original unexpired government issued form of identification, and for international students passport is the best, and the testing fee is 317 per examination part. And if you miss your appointment or arrive late by 30 minutes or more, you will not be permitted to test, and your examination fee will be forfeited, and you must pay another examination fee to schedule a new appointment. So in part 1, the mark distribution is like the preliminary work with taxpayers data is 14 questions, and income and assets contains 17 questions, deduction and credits 17 questions, taxation 15 questions, advising the individual taxpayers 11, and specialized return for individuals 11 questions. And for part 2, divided into business entities and considerations 30 questions, business tax preparations 37 questions, and specialized returns and taxpayers 18 questions. Where part 3, divided into 4, practices and procedures are 26 questions, representation before the IRS 25 questions, specific areas of representation 20 questions, and filing process 14 questions. So PSI web delivery, remote proctoring from your home. If your sponsor allows you to take the exam remotely from your home computer, keep this strict room environment rules in your mind. So the rule one is a pre-exam room scan. Before launching your exam, you will perform a 360-degree room scan using your webcam. Your desk must be completely clear. Remove all notes, extra drinks, tissue boxes, and secondary devices like your mobile. Okay, rule 2 is hands and camera view. Your hands must remain visible to the cameras at all times during the test. You cannot lean out the camera's views or leave your seat. And rule 3 is no talking or lip movement. Talking out loud or mouthing words to yourself while reading question is strictly forbidden and can cause the proctor to terminate your exam. And if you need any assistance, use the live chat. If you experience technical issues or need help during the exam, use the built-in chat tool inside the testing software to contact the online administrator. And rule 5 is lunch time. You can connect with remote proctors up to 15 minutes prior to your scheduled start time once your lunch button becomes active. Okay, then scheduling, rescheduling, and payment. PSI exam slots are available at least 6 weeks in advance. To secure your preferred date and time, schedule 4 to 6 weeks early. And rule 2 is rescheduling policy. Need to reschedule or cancel, you must do so at least 2 business days prior to your test date. Through your online PSI account to avoid losing your fee. So if you don't reschedule through your online PSI account, you may lose your fee. And the payment method is PSI accepts Visa, Mastercard, American Express, Discover cards, but Diners Club is not accepted. Your card is charged immediately when you confirm your appointment. And you can schedule online or by phone only. Local test centers cannot book reschedule appointments for you under any circumstances. Always manage your exam online at testtakers.psiexam.com or by calling candidate customer service. Okay, the next, okay. So the hardware and system requirement. This one is most important for those students who are planning to sit their exam from home. So the operating system is Windows 10 or 11, 64 bits, and Mac is also accepted, but there are some specification like monetary Ventura or Sonoma and Sequoia. Okay, and not supported include Linux and Chrome operating system, virtual machines, and other Mac operating system built. The device type is standard laptop or desktop PC, and not allowed is iPad, Android tablet, or mobile phones. Microsoft Surface is allowed only if in full laptop mode. And RAM and processor include 8 GB minimum RAM and 16 GB is recommended. And processor Intel Core i3 or equivalent, and must be able to run background proctoring software without lag. This is the main focal point. Then display resolution is the specified here, and scaling must be 100%. And also remember single monitor only. Secondary or external monitors must be physically unplugged or disabled. And power source is plugged directly into the wall power and must not be plugged into a docking station. So the next is camera, audio, and accessories. Okay, webcam, a working built-in or external USB webcam is required. And crucial requirement, your camera must be able to move to perform a full 360 room scan of your desk, walls, and under desk area prior to launching the exam. So in this case, I think external 360-degree webcam is best choice for you, because during exam moving your laptop is in some point maybe it's difficult or impossible. And the microphone and speakers, built-in laptop mic and speakers are required. But remember, headphones and earbuds are strictly prohibited. Wireless Bluetooth headsets, AirPods, and wired earbuds are banned. So network and software requirements is internet connection and stable connection is expected, at least 3 mbps, and wired ethernet cable directly to your router is strongly recommended over wi-fi. And browser is the latest version of Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. You will be prompted to download and install the secure Proctoring client browser application before the exam. And admin rights and security. You must have the full administrator rights on the laptop to grant camera and microphone permission and disable the VPNs, firewalls, and background antivirus pop-ups during your testing. And most important thing to remember is avoid work or corporate laptops. That means your official or employer given laptop should be avoided because there might be some admin restrictions and VPN or corporate firewalls issues. So it should be avoided. And remember that the reproducing of sharing test questions in any form is a severe security violation that can result in a score cancellation and legal reporting to your licensing sponsor. Maintain professional contact with the test proctors at all the time. So that's all about a brief summary of PSI online proctor exam for international students. And if you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more exam guides, and leave any question in the comments below. Good luck for your exam day, and stay tuned to get more information about enroll agent exam. Thank you.